Then a man would decide say after Kotoko pay partners at the IOMO pre-season mobile on board.
It's a Kotoko there. So to say, Asante Maida, Utun for there, and I answer some Sikedra. Inti Sekotoko and I drink say, opposite or call pre-season tour Europe. Now, with our vast knowledge in organizing such things, no, if they call on us now, yeah, for Manu Sifem, in idea, and Asante Maida, man, that's why we came on board.
Remember, and you who say, idea, any public breed. Just that I said, a man for an AI shaky kakra. So we'll run you through arrangement, you know. But you can't change why people should be comfortable. But I'll run you through the arrangement. Then I'll cover.
It's simple. Ziri kanka no. It be free. I think on the 15th of. It be free on the 15th of July. It's a 2-week tour basically. Nearby on the 29th and as a 1st of August. And said it will be kind. This tour, no. The reason why it makes it special is because they cover 4 different countries. Specifically, Italy. From Italy, we go to Switzerland. From Switzerland, we come to France. From France, we come to Germany. So these are the things that makes this tour special. Unlike the previous tours now people do, you go back home, then it ends there. But this one there. And the reason why you say 4 countries is the exposure that the players will get. It's the main key thing here. We want the players to get the exposure to train at different training facilities and to see how these players play and then perform in their various teams. So that's what I would say to what you just asked.
You old players of Kotoko here, are they going to be ambassadors of this particular project?
I don't say old players, no, Kotoko especially. They've been supporting Asante Kotoko even though they are not in active football. In projects like this, no, we can't leave them out of it. They are still part of Kotoko. So we decided to say, okay, let's bring them on board. And then don't forget, so at least they will learn more things and to impart in the next generation that is coming. So that is why we invited them here.
Well, and then what catcher say Italy na Yahoo teams na Kotoko. Would there be other press conference or updates for people to know the itinerary, France, Germany, and Switzerland, the kind of teams are Kotoko?
No press conference there, I doubt. We've done it. But then, like we said, we'll be putting out the itinerary as when we get the confirmation from the other teams. So we'll be doing media interviews from time to time. We'll be playing jingles here and there before we embark on the journey. And whatever comes out, we wouldn't hide it from the media. We'll let you know.
Okay, say a brother meeting because say and yes, momo program, you know, mobile beju bisika ansana modini panako. No, as a name in a kakawinjini panisika mobile then I'm up one pan.
I'm saying, Obed, so you want to push me about that? Anyway, I'll go there. Yeah. Me, mamma, mo prekuma. Yeah, Ben said, Obed, so Obi Obeba office, say, me person Kobe. No, about not be waste your time, no call. To avoid signing money, you know. Yeah, baby say registration baby are basic 2,000 Ghana cedis. Every Ghanaian can afford. And you are the first person that I'm telling you this. Then can later on. No. But since you've asked, now I'll go there. Which you are the 2,000 cedis now, and you will take it out. They correct the matches.
Okay.
What I say, which to me is very fair. Even though we might be selling a ticket for not less than 15 euros, it's the amount of the tickets to go and watch a game in France, a game in Italy, a game in Switzerland, and then we might be giving them replica jerseys as well. Okay. Yeah, so that 2,000 caters for that. And yene as a Oba, we will prepare you towards the what do you call it, the visa. One sanka visa and the end juice one sanka visa and a juice. So the 2,000 is basically for registration and for your ticket. So that's that.
Yes, we no be ofinu ti obi when ya GD say and yes, a brand between about 30,000, 40,000.
And so will be apart from yeah, by office, so will be even scan cry 2,000 American ones no crown. You go to Fidelity, any Fidelity, and I mumu send me mumu and I say, yes, more being never being herself sending me mumu and
the ambassador room for person be at yes, and yes, say. Monye online accept office accept the amount of being beju sika online
Fidelity Obeko fidelity now kutua sika na ebe ma receipt. Now the receipt number near their register and then they say here what the betu can be another bana ya ma.
On say nipa din say yeah very important. And a man for say nipa din pa. Ti sense ko biem say mo office and now beba no ma proceed enye phone call enye say obi the graphics be about.
Obi yes don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. So one could just call fidelity now because sending momo yeah debi anything once a Kotoko brand we can't intimate to tarnish the image of Kotoko. What you say and then be back say who be denti aboas rogene ba no in there yembeso be back ko jina be say won kofo agim sika nti yes ko fidelity kotua 2000 cedis 2000 cedis no tua amount friends say ticket to go and watch the games because we don't know you benya visa need the only visa but untimi kase wo kohwe Kotoko abra wo ni ticket a wo de kohwe game the omo visa no ko won fie nti before our beza no yebe ma ticket na ama be a replica jersey what you say to identify you say woni Kotoko and the echo and then it's 2000 apart from that don't you scare be
we fika just na some kind of question be about membisa to the bibi chat na
ade me di chat and say you better must say you to mo zafre mobile na we supporter na wo fie na wo hwem so a na wo pese wo kon so a nya rehye mu say obi e na obeju sika di.
Thank you very much.